Okay, this guy has a problem. It's a good problem to have. He says, question for you experts. I got a winning ad for a winner product with a $500 budget. I notice every day around 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. That's when I get the most sales. Like crazy, they come in like in every 15 minutes. How would you try to take advantage of that? I don't want to touch my winning campaign, so I thinking of duplicating it and manually turning it on from 4 a.m. to 11 a.m. Is this something people do? So the first thing that I want to say, congratulations if you have your winning campaign. That's great. What I see here, you spent only $500, so it's not like that accurate to make these conclusions. You can make these conclusions once you spend a lot more. I believe this budget is very low. If your campaign works like crazy, if you have a winning ad, the first advice I would give you, don't touch a winning campaign. If it's not broken, don't touch it. This is the whole idea behind like running Facebook ads. What's gonna happen if you duplicate the campaign and turn it manually from 4 a.m. to 11 a.m.? The Facebook ads might not spend the budget, so nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen. What I would do if I have a winning campaign, let's say this is the winning ad set. Let's say ad set number one is performing. So the thing I could do, I would try to duplicate this ad set with increased budget, right? This is the first thing I would do. The second thing I would do, I would try to come up with like similar, let's say, targeting variations of this ad set, and I'm gonna duplicate it again. So I'm gonna create more ad sets similar to the one that's working. I might do 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 ad sets, right? Another thing you could do, and this will be the third thing, you can isolate this ad set in a CBO campaign, right? And you can duplicate it like 2 to 4 times. I know it sounds crazy, but you should try it. And this is how I would go about it. But if something is broken, if something is not broken, don't try to fix it. It's gonna be a shorter video, but yeah, this is it. Now let me pause. Let me stop this video.